Hi everyone, Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network here to do a walk around on this 2022 Tesla X Plaid. Let's take a walk around this X Plaid. It has the upgraded 22-inch wheels with matching Continentals all the way around, with about 55 to 60% tread life remaining. It is a black over white. It's a tri-motor with 311 miles of range with a full charge. Some minor chips on the hood. Other than that, there's no scratches, dents, or dings. It has regenerative braking. It's rated at about 1,000 horsepower. It has 8 cameras along the outside with Sentry mode that records everything around your vehicle, even when you're not with your vehicle. It also has 12 ultrasonic sensors and radar for the self-drive mode. The glass goes all the way from the bottom up to the top here, and then continues in 3 separate pieces all the way over the roof of the car. This is just giving you a look at the Tesla with all of the doors open. Every door on this vehicle is automatic and power. The front door opens as you get close to it automatically. When you get inside and put your feet on the pedals, it closes behind you. All these doors are also controlled right here from the screen. Once you get in, you hit the close all button. And as you see, they all close around you. All of your mirrors and steering and your glove box, child locks, window locks, all of that is controlled from here as well. And as you see, as I mentioned in the first video, the Sentry mode and the recording from all the 8 cameras around the outside is right there as well. We're going to do what we call a startup on this Tesla X Plaid. As you can see, the door is open. And like I said, you put your foot on the brake and it shuts automatically. The blinkers, the headlights, your horn, windshield wipers, the speaker button for your media and navigation systems there. You can tap your brake to activate reverse if you need to back out of your driveway. If you do need to go forward, however, first you have to swipe your little car on the screen. You can also swipe it backwards to actually engage reverse. You get a rear view camera and 2 side cameras. To engage park, you just hit this little P up here. It brings you to your full-size zoomable navigation and your media. To note, your blinkers here, when you turn them on, you get the corresponding camera for that side of the vehicle to give you a view of what's down that side. You hit the other one and it switches. All your controls for your vehicle are right here. All the doors, the frunk, which is the front compartment, the trunk, which is your back hatch, which is power and automatic. Your pedals and steering are here, suspension, your charging, the autopilot settings. As you can see, they're all right here. Locks, lights, displays, navigation. The software version tells you it's got 5,563 miles. And then it's a Model X Plaid, and it has the autopilot full self-driving computer. It has a subscription, which renews on March 15th of 2023. For the connectivity, for the premium self-driving compatibility, that's September 15th. That's on a monthly basis, I believe. You have to pay for that, or you can pay by the year or forever. I believe you can pay a one-time subscription for that. The climate controls are either on a small screen here, or you can bring them up in a big screen here. It's got front and rear climate controls. You can control the flow of air, up, down, left, right, or you can actually control it here as well on the sides, if you don't want to control it from up here. This vehicle has heated seats in every seat in the vehicle, all 6, and it has cooled seats in the front. As you can see, the windshield goes all the way up and then continues through the back. It has 2 wireless charging tables here and cup holders under here. It's a beautiful car, guys. You got to come check it out. We're taking a look at the interior on this Tesla. As you can imagine, it looks brand new. There's no rips or tears or stains of any kind. It's a white interior. Passenger seat, just as flawless. We're gonna go ahead and open the rear. And as you can see, there is no rips or stains, anything in here. To note, this vehicle has a 22 speaker audio system that provides premium sound. There's the touchscreen for the rear climate and audio controls. The back, these captain's chairs are power in the rear. Taking a look at the 3rd row, it's also flawless, almost like no one ever actually sat in it.